Hey y'all, here's a cable I made today for Big Carabel. Stretches right to the property line, which is right there, my neighbors. Here's that little fucking shithead dog from the twins that needs to get out of here. But anyways, there's her cable. You can see it or not. Dog house over there. Go over there. Some chickens and dogs and house. Truck, American flag, America. I'll show you all the rest of the shit real quick. There's Mia. I did that cable last weekend. It's pretty good. It could be tighter, but it don't really bother nothing back under. That's all my woods. That's where the deer were last night. Mia. Come here. She's a pretty good watchdog. The house, the back porch. Sancho, come here. He's temporary right now because he's ungrounded. Because he thinks he's a stud. He's not. A little wet out here because it rained for like a week straight. There's old Boo Boo dog. That's Mia's mama. Come here, Preach. Old preacher man, hog dog. He's getting old and raggedy like me. Chicken. A few. It's a mess. That's preacher girl, that's preacher man.